arbitrationagreements.org. Hey there, I see you're curious about professional debt mediation. Well, you've come to the right place. Grab a comfy chair because we are about to dive deep into this fascinating world. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low. You know, debt disputes can be daunting. The looming shadow of litigation is often time-consuming, not to mention costly and stressful. Enter the hero of our story, professional debt mediation. Imagine two neighbors with a shared fence. They could spend days, maybe even months, arguing about who should pay for its repair. Or they could have a chat, understand each other's perspectives, and reach a friendly agreement. That chat, my friend, is mediation. But what we're focusing on today is specifically about debt. Professional debt mediation is an alternative dispute resolution process. Think of it as a middle ground where a neutral third party, the mediator, assists two disputing parties in resolving their financial disagreements. The mediator's role, not to decide, but to facilitate a dialogue, guide the conversation, and help find a solution that both parties can live with. Now, let's sprinkle in some stats, shall we? Did you know that in recent years, over 70% of mediated debt disputes reached an agreement outside of court? Yes, 70%. Another fun fact, mediation can be up to 10 times faster than traditional litigation. I know, it's impressive. So why is mediation so much better than heading straight to court? Well, time is of the essence. Mediation is swift, while court cases can drag on for months, if not years. Your wallet will thank you. Mediation is cost-effective. Court proceedings, with all the associated fees and unpredictable outcomes, not so much. Say goodbye to stress. Mediation is a calm, structured process, aiming to reduce tensions. Litigation. It can be a roller coaster of emotions. But wait, there's more. One of the hidden gems of mediation is confidentiality. Unlike public court proceedings, what's discussed in mediation stays in mediation. And let's not forget flexibility. Parties have the autonomy to craft their own solutions, tailored to their unique needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all resolution. It's a tailored suit, custom-made just for you. Remember, if you find yourself tangled in a debt dispute, consider giving professional debt mediation a shot. It's swift, cost-effective, and stress-reducing. If you want to learn more information about mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Also, what do you think about mediation? Which advantage of it is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you keep your costs low and spirits high.